Hey guys, greetings. Welcome to Vinyl TV. I hope you are doing well. If you are new to this channel, and if you are, please consider subscribing. What we got here is HP Deskjet Plus 4130. Okay, I'm going to show you how to unbox this baby here. Bought this baby from amazon.co.uk, so we're going to unbox this right now. Right, this is the ink cartridges. The ink cartridge is 305. Okay, 305. This is the instruction. Get started. This is the cable, 3-pin cable. Let's check this baby out. Wow. Nice stuff. Nice gear. Right. Okay, what you can see here is HP Deskjet Plus 4100 series. So this is 4130. Okay, this printer is nice. Oh, very light. It's not heavy. It's not heavy. Easy to carry, very light. I like the packaging. Very sealed. Okay, you can see. Right, what we are going to do right now is to take off the plastic packaging. Okay, then we go from there. This is nice gear. Okay, from what we can see here, so we'll take this off. Okay, now this is the back tray, so we'll take this up. Okay. We'll take this off all the packaging. HP Deskjet Plus 4130. this is this baby. Okay, what we are going to do right now is to connect this to the power. So to connect this to the power cable, we go at the back here. This printer, to connect it to a PC, you need USB cable. Okay, but most of these days they expect you to scan your document or work this printer out with your mobile device. So we need to connect this first of all. Okay, you push this inside, okay, to make sure it lap properly. Push it inside, okay. Once you've done that, the next thing to do is plug this to the power cable, okay, to the power cable. Now you need USB cable to connect this to your laptop. And to connect the USB cable, you need to look for this corner here. You can get universal USB cable. This USB cable can work with Canon, also can work with HP. So you stick this inside and connect this end to your PC. Okay, so we'll take this off right now. I'm gonna show you how to do this later on, but you need to get USB cable if you need it from amazon.co.uk. Okay, so from what we can see, this printer, right, you turn it on from this spot here. This is where to turn this printer on. This is Wi-Fi, to connect to Wi-Fi. This is the emergency button. Okay, this is to cancel. This is to press color. This is to press to copy black. This one is to copy colored paper. So we want to turn this printer on by pressing this button here. So once you turn this printer on, so you need to connect this, okay, to Wi-Fi. It's flashing. Once you connect the Wi-Fi, it will be steady. Okay, this is also will show you that you need to install the ink cartridges. Okay, so Wi-Fi is flashing right now. Okay, so what we're going to do is look to connect the ink cartridges for this printer is the next thing we are going to do. Okay, to connect the ink cartridges is what we are going to do, is the next thing we're going to do. Okay guys, this is HP Deskjet plugs 4000, okay, 4130. Thank you very much.